when the numbers are given, it should be arranged in the ascending order. Median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Convert the frequency into cumulative frequency. What is cumulative? Adding 1 by 1. Find out the cumulative. Find out the constant value. The constant value is 60. Therefore, median is equal to 60. Mode is the model value of the given series, the most important value of the given series. Hello, everybody. I am Dr. B.A. Subramaniam, Senior Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, a Temple of Excellence. Yesterday, we started with the measure of central tendency. In that, we completed mean of individual number, continuous series, when the frequencies are given. Then we'll go to median now. Median, yesterday we had when the individual numbers are given. What is actually median is? Median is the mid value of the given series. Now, in the last class I told you, when the numbers are given, it should be arranged in the ascending order. Median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. N is equal to number of items. Now, today we are going to deal when the frequencies are given. Third method, when the continuous series are given. First, we go with second method, when the frequencies are given. Steps. When the frequencies are given, the first step followed by the students is convert the frequency into cumulative frequency. What's the method? Convert the frequency into cumulative frequency. What is cumulative? Adding 1 by 1. Then apply the formula. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item. Find the value in the cumulative frequency. First, make the cumulative frequency, then apply the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. Find out the value in the cumulative frequency. For that particular x number is called your median is considered. We'll go with an example. Here the values are given 10, 20, 30, 40. The frequencies are given. Add the frequency. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 12 is 27, 27 plus 14 is 31, 41, add 24, add 30, add 10. If we go with 1 by 1, what is the first number is 2. Add 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 14 plus 24 plus 36 plus 10 is equal to 111. The total comes n is equal to 111. You make the CF, cumulative frequency. First is the 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 12 is 27. 27 plus 14 41, 41 plus 24 is 65, 65 plus 36, 101, plus 10 is 111. How to do it? What is the first number is 2. For 2, 5 plus should be added 7. For 7, 8 should be added 15. For 15, 12 should be added, it is 27. For 27, 14 should be added 41. For 41, 24 should be added, it is 65. For 65, 36 should be added, 101. For 101, 10 should be added, is equal to 111. Now, you apply the formula. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item. N is equal to total number of frequency. What is your total number of frequency? 111 plus 1 divided by 2. It is nothing but 112 divided by 2. This is 2 5s are 2 6s. 56. Find 56 in cumulative frequency. Where the 56 will come? It will come under 65. So the considered value is 60. So how to find out where the 56 come? You have to find out in the cumulative frequency. For that particular value is 60. Therefore, median is equal to 60. What is the first step to follow? Add the frequency. Frequency is equal to 111. Made the cumulative frequency. First number is 2, plus 5 is 7, plus 8 is 15, 12 27, 14 41, 24 65, 36 is 101. For the 10 is 111. Apply the formula. Median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. What is your n? 111 plus 1 divided by 2 is 112. Divided, it will come 56. Find 56 in cumulative frequency. 56 will come under 65. The constant value is equal to 60. Therefore, median is equal to 60. We'll go to another problem. What are x is how much? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. What's your frequency? 2, 8, 3, 7, 6, 4, 9, 11, 10. Yesterday I told you, no, frequency is nothing but variation of a given number. If you see the frequency, what is the first number is 2, second number is 8, it fall down to 3, increase to 7, fall down to 6, fall down to 4, increase to 9, increase to 11, decrease to 10. Definitely we can say it's a frequency. Now we'll add the frequency. What is the first number is 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 9 plus 11 plus 10. It will work out to 60. That is 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, 26, 30, 39, 40, 50 plus 10 is 60. Therefore, n is equal to 60. Make the CF. Here, make the CF now. What is the first item? 2, we write CF, cumulative frequency. What is the first item? 2 plus 8, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 7, 20 plus 6, 26. Add one by one. What is the first number is 2. For 2, 8 should be added 10. For 3 should be added 13. 13 plus 3 is 20. 20 plus 6, 26. 26 plus 4 is 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. 39 plus is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. So, median is equal to, what's the formula? N plus 1 divided by 2th item. What's your n? Number of frequency is 60 plus 1 divided by 2. It is 61 divided by 2. This is 2 3s are 0, 30.5. Find 30.5 in CF. So 30.5 will come under 39. What is the constant value? 16. Where the 30.5 will come? 30.5 will come under 39. The constant value is 16. Therefore, median is equal to 16. Shall I repeat once again? What is the first step to do? Convert the frequency into cumulative frequency. Add 1 by 1. 2 plus 8, 10, plus 3, 13, plus 7 is 20, plus 6 is 26, plus 4 is 30, plus 9 is 39, plus 11 is 50, plus 10 is 60. Apply the formula. Median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2th item. What's your n? 60 plus 1 divided by 2. 61 by 2, it comes to 30.5. Find 30.5 in CF. Cumulative, it will come under 39. Under 30 you won't see because it is 30.5. More than 30. The value comes under 16. Therefore, median is equal to 16. I think you follow this. We'll go to next one. Here, The frequencies are 4, 6, 8, 12, 13, 7, 6, 4, and 10. We'll add one by one. What is the first one? 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 10 is equal to 60. This is n is equal to 60. That is 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 12 is 30, 30 plus 3 is 33, 33 plus 7 is 40, 40 plus 6 is 46, plus 4 is 50, then 10 is 60. Make the cumulative. Add one by one. You'll go with the CF, cumulative frequency. What is the first term? 4. For 6 should be added 10. For that 8 should be added 18. For that 12 should be added 30. 3 should be added 33. For that 7 should be added 40. For that 6 should be added 46. For that 4 should be added 50. Last one, 10 should be added 60. Now apply the formula. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item. What's your n? 60 plus 1 divided by 2. This is 63. It is 61 divided by 2. 2 3s are 30.5. Find 30.5 in CF. Where the 30.5 will come? It will come under 33. For that, what's the value? 60. Constant value is your median. So where the 30.5 will come, it will come under 33. For that, the respective value is 60. Therefore, median is equal to 60. So what we have to do in exam, no? Find out the cumulative frequency. Once you find out the cumulative, find out the constant value. The constant value is 60. Therefore, median is equal to 60. We'll go to next one. Now, median for a continuous frequency. Yesterday I told you what is a continuous frequency. So if your value is 0 to 10, 0 is called lower limit, 10 is called upper limit, then 10 to 20, 10 is called lower limit, 20 is called upper limit, which is a continuous series. Here, under continuous series, median is equal to n by 2. What is n by 2? N by 2 is number of cumulative frequency. So apply the formula. Median is equal to L1 lower limit plus n by 2. CF means the back number of finding. When you find out where it will lies, behind the number is called CF, cumulative frequency. F is called constant frequency. C is called class interval. I will repeat. If the word comes, L1 is called lower limit plus n by 2 is number of frequency divided by 2, what we are going to find out. Then CF is the behind that number. F is the constant frequency. Then C is called class interval. We can call as C also. We can call as I also. What is that? Is C is called class interval. So we'll go to problem now. If we take out this problem, the problem says 0 to 10, 10 to 20. What is 0? Lower limit. 10 is called upper limit. 10 is called lower limit. 20 is called upper limit. If we add the frequency, 4 plus 6 is 10, 18, 12, 30, 39, 40, 50, 10 is 60. This is n is equal to 60. Make the cumulative frequency. What is the first number? 4. Add 6, 10. Add 8, 18. For 18, add 12, 30. For that, add 9, 39. For that, add 11, it becomes 50. Add 10, this is 60. This is your cumulative frequency. What is the first one? 4. For a 4, 6 should be added, then 8 should be added, then 12 should be added, plus 9 should be added, plus 11 should be added, 10. So n is equal to 60. Apply the formula. Median is equal to n by 2. What's your n? 60 by 2. That's equal to 30. Find 30 in CF. Find 30 in CF. Where the exactly you have got 30. Your class is 30 to 40. Your frequency is 12. So what is this 30? Where it lies. Apply the formula. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. So where it lies, 30 to 40. What is 30? Lower limit. 40 is called upper limit. 30 is called L1. 40 is called L2. Apply the formula. What is your L1? 30. Then what is your n by 2? 30. Minus CF, no, whatever, wherever you take into consideration, behind number is 18. This is your CF. Divided by constant frequency is 12. And your class interval is 0 to 10 means 10. I will say how to apply the formula. L1 is called lower limit. Plus n by 2 you have calculated. CAC is backward cumulative frequency. F is constant frequency. C is equal to class. Apply the formula. L1 is 30. N by 2 is also 30. Behind number of CF is 18. Divided by constant frequency 12 into 10. Simplify this. This is 30. You deduct 30 minus 18 is 12 divided by 12 into 10. Then next step 30. Cancel the 12. What is left over? 10. It is 30 plus 10 is 40 is your median for a continuous series. In a continuous series, what we say, no? First, convert the frequency into cumulative frequency. Instead of n plus 1 by 2, you have to say n by 2. N is equal to 60 by 2 is 30. Apply the formula. What's your formula? Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. What is CF? No? Wherever you find out that number, behind number is CF. By chance, if you find out the number is 39, behind CF is 30. If you find out 60, behind is 39, it will go like this. We'll go to next one. Here the class is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 5 to. What is the first step to do? Add the frequency. What is the first number? 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 12 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 43. That is 3 plus 7 is 10, 18, 12, 30, 39, 43. Your n is 43. Make the cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. What is the first number? 3. For that, 7 should be added. It is called 10. For that, 8 should be added. 18. For the 12 should be added. It is 30. 9 should be added. 39. For that, 4 should be added. 43. So, in exam, no, this and this should be one and the same. What's your total? 43. Cumulative also 43. Apply the formula. Median is equal to n by 2. What's your n? 43 divided by 2. So simplify this. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are. So it is 21.5. Find 21.5 in CF. 21.5 will come under 30. So your class is 15 to 20, consent frequency 12, behind CF is 18. Apply the formula. Median is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF over F into C. What's your formula? Median is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF divided by consent frequency same. Which range you are selected? 15 to 20. L1 is 15. What's your N by 2? 21.5. Behind number is 18. Divided by consent frequency is 12. Your class interval 0 to 5 means 5. When you say 0 to 5, the range goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you say 5 to 10, it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Simplify this. 15 deduct 21.58 means 3.5 divided by 12 into 5. Your class in. When you simplify this, no, so here 3.5 into 5 divided by 12. It comes to 1.45. 15 plus 1.458. So if you add this figure, median is equal to 16.458. I think you follow. Only point no regarding the CF, wherever you find out the values, behind is your CF. CS always come, the constant number is the frequency. First add the frequency, it is equal to 43. Make the cumulative. One by one you add. How to do that? 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 12 is 30, plus 9 is 39, plus 4 is 40. Then apply the formula and go one by one slow. You must be very careful. 0 to 5 means 5 is not there. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called exclusive method. 0 is included, 5 is excluded, 5 is included, 10 is excluded, 10 is included, 15 is excluded. I think you have followed this problem. You'll go to next one. Class goes like this. 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12. What is the first step to do? Add the frequency. 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, plus 7 is 20, 26 plus 4 is 30. Therefore, n is equal to 30. You add one by one. 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, plus 6 is 26, plus 4 is 30. Make the cumulative frequency. See here. What is the first number? 2. Add 8, 10. Add 3, 13. Add 7, 20. Add 6, 26. Further 4 should be added. It becomes 30. The total comes to 30. Apply the formula. Median is equal to n by 2. N is total number of frequency. What is your n? 30. Divided by 2. It will come 15. Find 15 in CF. 15 will come under 20. The consent class is 12 to 16. Apply the formula. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. Which range you are selected? 12 to 16. L1 is 12. What's your n by 2? Is 15. Minus CF, behind number is 13. Divided by consent frequency is 7 into your class interval is 4. Simplify this. 12. You deduct 15 minus 13 is 2 divided by 7 into 4. Then it is 12. 2 4s are 8 divided by 7. This is 12 plus division of this 8 divided by 7 is equal to 1.14. Add this, it is 13.14 is your median for continuous series. So we'll go to next one. So the next unit comes now here. In the measure of central tendency, we have to study mean, median, and mode. Now we talk about the mode. What is mode then? Mode is the model value of the given series. Model value, most important value of the series. There are three methods are there. First method, individual number. Second method, when the frequencies are given. Third method, for continuous series. We'll go one by one. So what is mode? Mode is the model value of the given series, the most important value of the given series. There are three methods to be followed. One is individual numbers. Second, when frequencies are given. Third method, for a continuous series. We'll go with an example. The number repeats it. Which number repeats more number of time for individual, that is the mode. Which number repeats number of time, that is the mode. If you see an example, your numbers are 4, 8, 6, 3, 4, 2, 4. Which number repeats? 4 number repeats. How many times? 1, 2, 3. So 4 repeats. 4 repeats 3 times. Therefore, mode is equal to 4. The number which repeats more number of time, that is called mode. According to this problem, 4 repeats 3 times. Therefore, mode is equal to 4. We'll go to next one. If we see this example, which number repeats more, we can understand. What is the first number is 2, second number is 3, 7, 8, 12. Which number repeats? 2 repeats 2 times. Here, 2 repeats 2 times. Therefore, mode is equal to 2. Which number repeats more number of time, that will be considered as a mode. Here, which number repeats more? 2 number repeats 2 times. That's why it is called mode. Then we'll go to next one. Here, when the frequencies are given. So what we have to see that when the problems is given, highest frequency to be represented in values, that highest frequency you have to calculate. Particular respected number is called your mode. Find out which is the highest frequency. That highest frequency represents the mode. We'll go with an example. Here, the values are 30, 40. Your frequencies are light. Make the CF. What is the first one? Is your 14 plus 13 plus 2 plus 16 plus 12 plus 13 plus 1 is equal to 71. Your total is 71. Make the CF. 14 plus 13 is 27 plus 2 is 29 plus 16 is 45, 12 is 57, this is 13 is 70, 1 is 71. Then find out which is the highest cumulative, highest number of frequency. Highest number of frequencies 16. For that, which is the value 16. So somebody says no. If we add the CF, you can add it unless not necessary. Which is the highest frequency? 16. Constant number is 60. So mode lies in highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency? 16. The constant value 60. Therefore, mode is equal to 60. This is not necessary, just to find out what is the total number of frequencies are there. What is actually we have to do? No, find out which is the highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency? 16. The constant number is 16. We'll go to next one. If you see this board, your frequency are 0, 7, 29, 11, 6, 4, 24. Which is the highest frequency? Your highest frequency is 24. The constant value is 80. The highest frequency is 24. Therefore, mode is equal to the constant value is 80. So what is the step to do? Find out which is the highest frequency here. Which is the highest frequency? 24. The constant value is 80. So mode is equal to 8. Means the model class is equal to 80. We'll go to next one. For a continuous series, mode lies in highest frequency in the model class. First, find out the highest frequency. In the highest frequency, we can find out the model class. So mode is equal to L1 plus highest number, behind number, highest number, behind number, forward number into C is class interval. So what is this formula? Mode for continuous series. L1 is called lower limit, F1 is called higher frequency, F0 is behind frequency, F1 is highest frequency, F0 is behind frequency, F2 is forward frequency, C is class interval. I will repeat once again. L1 is lower limit, F1 is highest frequency, F0 is behind frequency, F1 is highest frequency, F0 is behind frequency, F2 is next frequency, C is equal to class interval. Now, we start the problem now. If we see this problem now, which is the highest frequency, you have to find out. Here, 3 is there, 7, 10, 6, 4. Which is the highest frequency? 10. So your model class is 20 to 30. Means mode should be lie in 20 to 30. Which is the highest frequency? 10. This is called F1. Behind frequency is called F0. What is the next frequency? 6 is called F2. So which is the highest one? 10 is F1, 7 is F0, F2 is there. Then 20 to 30, 20 to 30 means C class interval is 10, 20 is your lower limit. Apply the formula. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. What I told F1, highest frequency, F0 behind frequency, F2 is forward frequency, C is equal to class interval, L1 is lower limit, which is your model class 20 to 30. What is your L1? 20. Which is your highest frequency? 10. Behind frequency 7 divided by 2 into 10 minus F0 is 7. Your next frequency is 6. Your class interval 0 to 10 means 10. Apply slowly. 20. 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 into 2 is 20. Minus 7 minus 6 can be added. Minus 13. Your class interval is 10. This is equal to 20. 3. 20 minus 13 is 7. Your class interval is 10. Now, 20 multiply 10 3s are 30 divided by 7. Simplify this. 20. Now, This is your 30 divided by 7 is equal to 4.28. Add, it is 24.28. This is your model. So, your model class is 20 to 30. Your mode should be like between 20 to 30. What's your value? 24.28 means you are on the perfect line. You should not go out of this line. You should not less than 20 or more than 30 because 20, 30 is called model class. So, the highest frequency is 10, behind frequency is 7, the next frequency is 2. We'll go to next problem. If you see this board, no, which is the highest frequency? Can you say that? Which is the highest one? 15 is the highest one. And consent model class is 16. What is 15 is? This is your F1. Behind is F0. Next is F2. What is 12 is? L1. Apply the formula. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. What's your L1? 12. What's your F1? 15. Behind number is 8 divided by 2 into 15. So 12, 15 minus 8 divided by 2 into 15. F0 is 8, F2 is 4, and class interval 12 to 16 is 4. Simplify this. 12, from 12, 15 minus 8 is 7. So 15 twos are 30. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. And your class interval is 4. Simplify this. This is 12. 7 fours are 28. You deduct 30 minus 12 is 18. Simplify this. 12. You divide 28 divided by 18. It works out 28 divided by 18 is equal to, it is 28 divided by 18 is equal to 1.55. It comes to 13.55. Shall I repeat that? 12 is the lowest number. 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 twos are 30. Minus 8 minus 4 is 12. Your class interval is 4. 7 fours are 28 divided by 18 is 1.55. 12 plus 1.55 work out 13.55. We'll have the next problem. What's the next problem? Class 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Which is the highest frequency R? 12 is the highest frequency R. So what is highest frequency is called F1. Behind is F0. Next is F2. Which is the model class 15 to 20. 0 to 5 means your class interval is 5. Apply the formula. Mode is equal to, mode also represented by the word Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. Apply this, which is the L1, 15. Plus, what's your F1 is 12, behind number is 8, divided by 2 into 12, F0 is 8, next number is 9, your class interval is 5. Simplify this. This is 15, 12 minus 8 is 4, this is 24, minus 8 minus is 17 into 5. Simplify this. It is 15. 5 fours are 20. 24 minus 17 is 7. Simplify this. 15. This is nothing but, if we simplify this number, 7 twos are 14. 6 remaining, 60. 7 8 are 56. 4 remaining, 7 8 are 56. It comes to 17.88. This is your mode is considered. So shall I repeat? Mode lies in highest frequency. Your highest frequency 12. This is F1. Behind is F0. Next is F2. 15 to 20. Your answer should become between 15 to 20. Your answer is 17.88. So your answer is correct. So we'll go to next problem. Mean, median, mode. So we find out the mean, we find out the median, we find out the mode. Combination of all these then we have to find out. So what is the step for mean? What is the formula for mean? Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. What is the formula for median? Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf over F into C. What is the formula for mode? Mode lies in highest frequency. Mode is equal to L1, F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. We'll go with the problem now. So this is your problem. So 0 to 10, 10 to 5. What is the first step to do? No? Add the frequency. One by one, you add the frequency. What is the first number is 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 12 plus 28 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10. It works out 100. 5 plus 8, 13, 20, 32, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. This is n is equal to 100. Find out the mid value. So 0 plus 10 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 plus 20 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. So there is a difference of 10 each, then 25, then 35, then 45, then 55, then 65, then 75. If we say that 70 plus 80 is 150 divided by 2 is 75, then you say that D dash, deviation of a number. You assume first number as 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, next step is ft dash multiplied by your frequency. 5 into 0 is 0. 8 into 1 is 8. 7 to 2 is 14. 12 into 3 is 36. 28 into 4. We have to see that 28 into 4 is equal to 112. 28 into 4 is 112. Then 20 into 5 is 100. 10 into 6 is 60. 10 into 7 is 70. I'll repeat once again. Frequency into D dash. 5 into 0 is 0. 8 ones are 8. 7 twos are 14. 12 threes are 36. 28 into 4 is 112. 20 into 5 is 100. 10 into 6 is 60. 10 into 7 is 70. Now add the figure. One by one. This is your 8 plus 14 plus 36 plus 112 plus 100 plus 60 plus 70. is equal to 400. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 18, 20, 2, 1 plus 3, 6, 7, 13, 20, 2 carry, it is 14. What is 400? Sigma ft dash. Total of ft dash is 4m. Now, you have to find out the mean. We have to find out the median. For a median, you have to make the CF. What is the first frequency? 5. Add 8, 13. Add 7, 20. Add 12, 32. For 18 should be added 40, 60. Add 20, 80. Add 10, 90. Add 10, 100. So the n is equal to 100. Your cumulative frequency also 500. So what you have to calculate now? Mean, median, and mode. We'll go one by one. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into C. What's your assumed? 5. What's your ft dash? 400. What's your number of frequency? 100. Into your class interval is 10. Simplify this. 5 plus cancel the 2 0. 10 4s are 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. This is your mean. Now, regarding the what's called median, what is the first step? Median is equal to n by 2. N is 100 divided by 2. That is 50. Find 50 in CF. Find 50 in CF. Where the 50 will come? Under 60. Which is the range? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 40 to 50 is your range. So apply the formula. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. Which range you have selected? 40 to 50. 40 plus, what is your n by 2? 100 divided by 2 is 50. Behind number, where the 50 will come, behind number is 32. Divided by constant frequency is 28. Into class interval is 10. I will repeat. This number you have been selected 40 to 50. 40 is your L1. N by 2 is 50. Behind this no is 32. Divided by constant frequency is 28. And class interval is 10. Simplify this. 40. 50 minus 32 is 18. Divided by 28 into 10. This is 40. 18 into 10 is 180 divided by 28. Simplify this. 40 plus 180 divided by 28 is equal to, we'll go with the calculator. This is 180 divided by 28 is equal to 6.42. 6.42. It will work out 46.42. So, we find out the mean, we find out the median. What is left over? Mode. Mode lies in highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency here? 28. 28 is the F1. 12 is the F0. 20 is the F2. So, which is the highest one? 28 is the highest one. F0 is 12. Next number is 20. Your model class is 40 to 50. What's your formula says? L1 is 40 plus F1 is 28. F0 is 12 divided by 2 into F1. F2 is 2. Simplify this. We'll go to this one. So we'll apply. Mode is equal to L1 F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. So in the class interval, when you find out here now, if we see that the mode lies in 40 to 15, which is the highest one. 28 is the highest one. 12 is the F0. 20 is the F2. Your class is 40 to 50. You'll apply. L1 is 40. F1 is 28 minus 12 divided by 2 into 28 minus 12 minus F2. Your F2 is 20. Your F2 is 20. Your class interval is 10. Apply 40. Deduct 20 minus 12. That is 16. This is 36. 12 minus 20 is 32 into 10. If you see that 28 minus 12, that is 16. 28 twos are, this is simplify this, it is 56. 20 minus 12 is 32 into 10. Simplify this. This is 40. This is 16. This is 28 twos are 56 minus 12. 6 2 minus 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 24 into 10. Simplify this. 40. This is 60 into 10 is 160 divided by 24. Simplify this. This is 160 divided by 24 is equal to 6.66. 40 plus 6.66. It is 46.66. This is your answer, because your mode should lie, your model class, between 40 to 50. You should not go out of the 40 to 50. So what's your answer? Your answer is 46.66. Means your mode lies between your class of 40 to 50 is 46.68. So here only mistakes, no? 28 twos are 56, minus 32 is 24, 116 into 10 is 160, divided by 24 is 6.66, divide 40 plus 6.6 is 46.16. In examination, no? Here one question will ask for 20 marks, mean, median, and mode. This is a definite question. So we have to find out the mean, we have to find out the median, we have to find out the mode. Sometimes little bit mistake maybe. Slowly you can go. 28 twos are 56 minus 32 is 24. 16 into 10 is 120. Divided by 24 is 6.60. It is 46.60. So once you find out the mean, median, or mode, we can have, if we want to have, once again this one we can have, which is the highest frequency 28, behind is F12. Then what is the next step to do? Make the cumulative frequency, for your median is considered, then apply the formula. Which are the formulas are? One is for mean, one is for median, one is for mode. What is mean? A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. For a median, first is n by 2. Find n by 2 in the cumulative frequency. Then apply the formula. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf over f into c. Regarding the mode lies in highest frequency. Wherever the highest frequency comes, the mode lies. Then find out the model class, apply the formula. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. What is F1? Highest frequency. F0 behind frequency. F2 forward frequency. C is equal to class interval, where L1 is called lower limit. Thank you, one and all. I think I have done mean, I have done median, I have done mode. If you have a still doubt, you can ask in the next class. We can solve the advanced problem in mean, median, and mode. Till then, goodbye. Thank you, one and all. We'll meet in the next class. If you still has got a doubt, you can ask me a question. Always questions are requested from the student. The teacher are interested to solve your problem. What is your English item says no? If you ask a question, you are only fool for 5 minutes. If you does not ask a question, you are fool forever. Teacher always eager to get the question from the student. If you get me some question, I will get you answer in the next class. Until goodbye. Thank you once again.